Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the video ratio, the video size into VN editor. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN editor, and after that, we need to drag the video into timeline. So as you can see, currently I'm using this video, which is in the landscape and the 16:9 ratio. If you want to change the video size, or if you want to change your project ratio, you can also do that. As you can see, simply we need to go to the original section. As you can see, has the original section, this option. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will be able to see the different sizes, and the original means it will be automatically covered into your video size at the 9.19.16 size, which is usually used for the TikTok, and the 1.1 for the Instagram, and 16.9 which is usually used for the YouTube, and the 4.5 is for the Instagram, 2.3, 3.4. These all sizes are mentioned here. You have to choose that which size you want to use. As you can see in the round section, if you click on the round section, your video will be covered into round section. Let's click on the round again. So let's click on this. If you want to change into Apple size, you can also do that. It's up to you. I'm going to click on this again in the 1.2 size. The video will be converted like this. So let's click on this again. For example, I'm going to use this one, 16.9. So let's click on this, which is usually used. So after that, as you can see, the video size is changed. So in this way, you can change the video size with video ratio in VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the ratio of the video in VN editor. So see you guys in the next video.